everyone, it's Andrew. So this is going to be a video doing an unboxing and review of the Signature Living bamboo tea box. You can get this on Amazon for about like $20, $30. But I recently purchased this online to organize my tea. Obviously, as you can see behind me, I've got a ton of tea, and essentially it was taking up a whole cabinet, and it wasn't very organized. You couldn't really figure out what to grab or use, and to be honest, it would just fall out of the cabinet too easily. And so I was looking at it for something that can organize it very easily. I actually got this box for my brother around Christmas time because he drinks a lot of loose tea, and he requested a box or organizer for his loose tea. And a couple weeks ago he sent me a video or an actual picture showing how he organized this tea, and it seemed like a pretty good setup. So I went back on Amazon, and they actually had like a 20% discount or something like that, and I was able to get this box for about $20. So what we'll do now is we'll set up the camera, we'll just take a look at what comes in the box, what exactly it looks like, and then I'll throw all these teas behind, or as many tea behind me, into the box, and we'll see how it organizes everything and whether it functions appropriately. So give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the Signature Living bamboo tea box. It comes in this box like this. Says the name up here. Does come with a plastic wrap casing around it, so you can make sure that it's not been opened or anything like that. Nothing too special about the box. We'll just take off the plastic wrap now and kind of see what comes in the box. Alright, so there should be a lift tab here. We'll just open this here and pull out the actual box. So we can throw the cardboard away, but essentially this is the box. Again, it comes in a plastic wrap, so you know it hasn't been used or anything like that. We'll take this apart. Kind of see what it looks like as far as underlying it. Alright, so that's the actual box. So it's basically like a bamboo, kind of, it's like not too fancy or anything like that. No issues as far as craftsmanship or breaking or anything on delivery. It has this, essentially it's like a plexiglass top on the top here. It's not glass there. Hinges on the front here, and then there's several compartments. So if you look, there's deeper compartments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 2 shorter compartments here. And then there's a drawer here in the front that will pull out, and that's what that looks like. So that's the drawer in the front. It's relatively cheap. I don't know, it must be bamboo, but it's relatively cheap looking. But for 20 bucks or whatever it was, it's not too bad. And then on the front here, they have the Signature Living logo there. So that's everything as far as the box. There's a little bit, I guess there's a little bit of like bamboo peeling off here. I'll just peel it off while I'm here. What I'll do now is I'll essentially throw as much tea as possible into here. So bear with me as I'm doing this. I'm just going to pull these from the side, and we'll just start throwing these in and see what we can fit. I'll probably just organize it by one box at a time. And go from there. So it might be easiest to just throw these vertically here. And then I might end up speeding this up just so you don't have to watch me do this non-stop, but I'll throw this right in here, so that fits. So ballpark, you're looking at 18, or we'll just estimate 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, plus like whatever I said, 110. So 120 plus another 20, which is probably like 140, plus another ballpark like 10 or so here. So probably about like 150 tea bags can fit in this. I still have a ton more tea. So I'll probably buy another one of these. It should fit pretty well on a cabinet space, but this is definitely more organized than having a ton of boxes. You'll be able to pull it out, lift it up, and just grab something or look at the different labels pretty easily. Sorry for the long video, but I hope that helps. So if you're interested in getting a tea box organizer, this is available on Amazon for about $20. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. As always, I'm an affiliate with Amazon, so if you purchase through that, some of that money does come back to me, which I always appreciate. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.